So what do we do about it? What do we do to take back America? U.S. Justice Antoine Scalia said openly and blatantly several times, there's a fourth branch of government, and it's we the people. And when the first three branches of government are so corrupt that you cannot get justice under anything you do, they subvert the justice system. They subvert the legislative system. We're supposed to, according to the Constitution, have one congressman for every 30,000 voters or people. Which is it? It's people, babies included. And in those days, that included women and slaves that couldn't even vote. 30,000 people are supposed to have one congressman. Today, the average congressional district is 700,000 people for one representative. How can he represent you or you or you? Can you talk to your congressman? Can you get him on the phone and say, hello, I've got this problem. This judge violated the law. Would you do something to remove this federal judge? You can't even get your congressman on the phone unless you're a corporation that puts $50,000 a year into a re-election fund. Then you can get his attention. This is why we're here today, because the fourth branch of government is we the people. When you form, and that's why we wanted this group to come together. We wanted 200, 300, 500 people here, because 25 people can make a grand jury of we the people, and that's what our dear friend, maybe the only friend we have on the U.S. Supreme Court, Antoine Scalia says, you form your grand jury. It does not belong to the executive branch, the legislative branch, or the judicial branch. So when in your county the presiding judge pulls people together and says, I'm going to pick you be on our county grand jury, and here's our district attorney, Thomas Mick, you just have him lead you around by the nose. He'll tell you what evidence you need to see. He's not really a district attorney. I'm just picking him up. But that's what they do. That's not the grand jury. The real grand jury is a common law grand jury of we the people, that spontaneous come together, we recognize a crime has been committed, and we come together, we elect a foreman, a secretary, we take evidence secretly we take the evidence against Judge Schmuck or Attorney Badnose or whoever has violated your rights and your civil liberties or the law under the Constitution. With that said, now I want you to be able to understand with these people, this is about how to stop foreclosures. Most of the foreclosures, according to Valerie Lopez, was on my television show. When was that, Valerie? September? Yeah, way back in September, I think. She was on my show. She said 97% of the home loans have been devalued. Is the word she used. Devalued because they've broken the package and violated California law. They did not go through the California door. They took the shortcut to quick money.